guys? This is Tim with Superstar Window Cleaning. Right now I'm using a water-fed hose system. It purifies the water. It's like drinking water, and so I don't have to dry your windows after I'm done. Get around the edges, the tracks. It makes for no streaks. We'll upload this video to our new YouTube Superstar Window Cleaning channel. This is a residential home that I usually do every 6 months. We do interior and exterior, but today we're just doing exterior for our customer. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home. Leave it up to us. We're based out of Wesley Chapel area and the surrounding areas. Been doing it approximately 12 years. So if you need your windows cleaned, call us at 813-444-4499, and you can look us up at superstarwindowcleaning.com and facebook.com/superstarwindowcleaningwc. The best thing about this process, or one of the best things, is we don't have to use ladders. Once in a while we do when there's a roof and there's a second-story home and it's falls way back, then we do. But it's very rare nowadays, so I love this system. And we don't have to dry your windows. It works well in the summer for Florida because the streaks happen from the white frames. So this helps a lot. Alright, I'm just gonna get this little bit left, and just want to say bye to you guys. Have a blessed day. Thank you.